are you, sir?
Doing well.
No rain, no heavy storms on the Sunday. What happened?
What happened? We're not used to that, are we? We have been dealing with storms recently on a Sunday, but none today. We were dealing with heat, but so was another state that you might not think of. Alaska, dealing with record heat, temperatures close to 90 degrees in Anchorage. Now, for perspective, that's 25 degrees above normal. In southern Alaska, an all-time record high temperature has been set in various places, and that's since they've been keeping records there well over 100 years. CBS News reporter Jonathan Vigliotti reporting on the heat there. Just wearing shorts and a polo. That's what you'd expect here,
right?
But not that far north. But that's something you want to still wear here as we make our way through this work week, as we're going to be looking at temperatures feeling like they're in the triple digits. The actual highs should stay below 100, but it's going to be plenty warm. It's still pretty warm out there right now. Tarrant County temperatures in the mid-80s in Fort Worth, Grapevine, Southlake, and Mansfield. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Temperatures starting in the upper 70s, but we'll make it up to 95 tomorrow afternoon. The heat index in the triple digits during the afternoon as well, and south winds between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Notice a 20% chance of rain. It is in the forecast for the afternoon. Just like today, I think most of the storms will be west of I-35. Now today, the storms never made it any farther east than Breckenridge and up toward Graham, and that's still where the rain is right now, but it's really beginning to fall apart. So we're in the very last moments of this rain out here in our very far western counties, and that's where it's going to stay, so it will be quiet overnight. Now, those storms yesterday were quite significant in parts of Tarrant County, as we showed you yesterday, well over an inch of rain. Now, at DFW, just 7/100ths, so not much officially, but for the year, we're still running a surplus, which is what you want to see in the summertime, as we have the lakes pretty much full across the area. Of course, more water is going to be evaporating off those lakes here over the next several days with all the heat that we're expecting, but they're in good shape, and so is the soil moisture at this point. Temperatures in the upper 70s tomorrow morning. We'll make it up to 95 tomorrow afternoon. Feeling hotter than that, but at the same time, a few of you will see a thunderstorm or two. I'm not expecting the storms to be widespread, and you notice on the future sky forecast, most of them west of I-35. If we see rain tomorrow afternoon, it's gone by sunset. Tuesday, I don't think we'll have any rain at all anywhere in North Texas. Hot and humid with a high of 96. By Wednesday, we might see a few storms again try to sneak in from the north. Highs still in the mid-90s, but I don't anticipate that the rain chance will still be any higher than about 20% coming up for the middle of the week. Same story on Thursday, as we may see a few storms in the area. Friday, though, and Saturday, completely dry. And one of the things we're watching is a possible tropical cyclone developing here in the central Gulf Coast as that works its way up, possibly into Louisiana. We'll have to keep an eye on that if it moves a little bit farther west. But right now, it looks like we won't be impacted by anything tropical here, but the folks to the east in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama could. Slight chance of rain tomorrow, 95. We're still in the 90s really all week into next weekend with only small chances of rain, especially on Wednesday and Thursday.